During my internship with Sergey, I worked as an assistant admission manager, handling student data, certificates, and creative projects. It was a hands-on experience that challenged me to grow professionally. So, hello everyone, I'm Mariam Manivali, 12 years old, level 1 student at Rehan School and Academy. 13 years old, level 1 student at Rehan School and Academy. So, I completed this internship from 27th February to 27th April 2025. My role involved managing student data, Google Sheets of Rehan School, designing posters, issuing certificates, and assisting with admission tasks for Rehan School. So what I really did was managed Google Sheets for student records, created Canva posters for events and announcements or welcoming students, and issued certificates for students, and assisted in admission and data management, coordinated with school staff to ensure smooth operations. Also, there was one more task. Yeah, I interviewed the students that were gonna be the students of Rahan School. So I can just interact with them and I can know how do they respond, what is easier for them to do at Rahan School and what they can really do easily. And my responsibilities required organization, attention to detail, and professional communication. I learned how to manage multiple tasks efficiently while maintaining quality. So, what were the challenges that sometimes it was Ramadan, so I had to get some leave, but that was the starting and it was hard. It was the hardest internship, so I had to manage it. It was like no fun, just work, and I had to work on it and I had to stand. So basically, it was hard, but I made it, and it was really a game changer. So my responsibilities were also very high, and I really made it through. So my internship with Jai Parkash was an incredible opportunity to gain hands-on administrative and creative experience. It strengthened my professional mindset and prepared me for the future responsibilities in both organizational and creative roles. So that's it for today, and bye bye.